Welcome to our tutorial on the Symmetry command. Let's start by activating the Symmetry command. We'll explore our definition window. For our element, we'll select Split 1. Under Reference Element, we'll select the ZX plane. We have the option to hide or show the initial element. And let's click OK. Now let's do some modifications to this circle. We double-click in the specification tree. Let's change the radius to 15 millimeters. Tab and OK. As you see, the radius on our symmetry circle changed as well. Double-click on this point. And let's change the Y distance value this time. We're going to bring them closer. We can even enter 0 here, for example. Now we only have one circle in the center, created from the two halves of the circle. I can also enter negative values, and if I do so, the circle will start closing. Let's click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on symmetry.